Hey guys, Attorney Jeff Goldtrap here in Nashville. Great to talk to you today. I want to answer a question that came in just the other day. The question is, what is the most common way to violate probation? I have been an attorney for over 20 years, practicing mostly criminal law for that 20 years. 4 years before being an attorney, I was a state probation officer. Now, what I'm saying today is not based on an extensive scientific study. It's just based on my experience. Based on my experience, the most common way to violate probation is a failure to report. You just don't come in. And it's amazing to me. There was a famous person who said 99% of success is showing up. Okay, 99% of success in probation is just showing up. Just go see your probation officer. If you weren't able to work, you didn't have a job, and you're getting behind in your probation fees, maybe your court costs and everything, you think, oh no, I'm going to be in trouble. Well, you're going to be in worse trouble if you don't show up. Just drag yourself down there and talk to the probation officer. You know, maybe they're going to yell and scream at you. Who knows? Maybe they're going to understand and try to help you out. There are so many more resources available now through the probation office for treatment, for jobs, for education, for a lot of things that were not there 25 years ago or so when I was with the probation office. Okay, there are so many more resources there for you. Just show up. What are some other ways that you're going to most likely to violate probation? Another very common way is picking up new charges. Frankly, is just picking up a new charge. And like some of my people say, catching a new case. You know, I've fished for a lot of different things out there in the ocean and the lakes and streams, but I've never fished for a case. Some of my people can catch a case just that easy. Okay, there are many ways to avoid catching a case. Don't ride with somebody who's got marijuana in the car. Don't be a convicted felon and have a gun. Don't go out and sell drugs again. Don't go steal things. Don't pick up anything that's not yours. Don't handle other people's money that's not yours. I mean, there's so many things. It's fairly easy. And you can avoid having a new arrest. If you are arrested again, that will be a probation violation. That is a very common way. So Jeff, what are the most common ways to violate probation? The third most common way, in my experience, has been to continue to use drugs and test positive for drugs while on probation. Expect a probation officer to test you for drugs regularly. It'll also be randomly. Now, it's hard to reconcile those two words, but it'll be random, and it'll be frequent, and it'll be regular, so always be ready. How are you ready to pass the drug screen? Don't smoke anything. Don't take any drugs that weren't prescribed to you by a doctor. Those are the three things that I can think of right quick for what's the most common way to violate probation. I hope that I've helped answer the question. If I've created another question, you just thought, wow, you just totally confused me, reach out. At the bottom of this video, you'll see a variety of ways to contact me. You contact me, I'll answer your questions, and I look forward to making it a great day.